Welcome back guys to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys the best movie watching app. You can watch shows, movies and other stuff on Android. So basically it's called Showbox. You can't get it from the Play Store. You can download it off Google. So as you can see, it has trending movies, TV shows, news, trailers, favorites, downloads, new releases, and yeah. So if I go in the movies section, as you can see, most of these movies are new, and you can sort it. So these are like the ones that have been released. As you can see, there's a lot. As you can, so Adventure, Tadio Jones, never seen that. Justice League, Jumanji is not here yet. Jumanji 2, I mean. So yeah. Oh, these three are this year. So yeah, I'll just show you guys in the TV shows. It has Big Bang Theory, Shameless, Flash, Rick and Morty, Game of Thrones, Naruto, Teen Wolf, Family Guy, Riverdale, and much more. I can't tell you all of them, but yeah. So you can basically get any movie you want in this app after like a week of it being released. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.